Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jechu's Writing. In this video, we're going to see how to write cursive handwriting very neatly and perfectly. Here, this is the normal writing. Now we're going to write this Sunday in cursive handwriting. So please follow this. Sunday in cursive handwriting. Sunday. Monday in normal writing. Now we're going to write this Monday in cursive handwriting. Tuesday in cursive handwriting. Wednesday in cursive writing. Thursday in cursive writing. Friday in cursive writing. Saturday in cursive handwriting. These are the days of the week cursive handwriting. Please follow this. By making a perfect practice, we can able to write cursive handwriting very neatly and fastly. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Jechu's Writing, and for more videos click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.